Hello fish keepers, welcome to my channel Aquarium Hobbyist. In today's video, we will see what is caviar, why is it the most expensive food item in the world with some jaw-dropping price range, and how is it relevant in a fish specific video. Let's get into it. What is caviar? Caviar is raw or salted eggs produced by a sturgeon family of fish. It is considered a delicacy and is eaten as a garnish or spread. It has a shelf life of 2 weeks if refrigerated unpasteurized, but lack of pasteurization may increase the risk of foodborne illness and disease. However, only fresh and completely raw caviar is prized for its superior flavor and texture. Pasteurized caviar reduces its culinary and economic value, but it can be kept outside for several months before use. And once the container is opened, it can be stored in fridge for another 2 to 3 days only. Why is caviar so expensive, you ask? Caviar is one of the finest delicacies and one of the most expensive food in the world. There are few reasons for the high cost. Number one being the source itself. The beluga sturgeon fish, which produces the world's best caviar, has a lifespan over 110 years. But the females does not produce eggs till the age of 18 to 20. So the waiting time dedicated by the fish farmers reflect in the price of the finest caviar as well. Number 2 being the strict rules on sturgeon fishing, as it is now an endangered species, has halted the production rate. So the restriction of production and farm control of import and export led to further scarcity, hence increasing its value. Right now, Iran is the top exporter of the caviar and US is the number 1 importer of the same. There are a lot of varieties of sturgeons which varies the caviar quality with price. The sturgeon fish has a origin from Caspian and Black Sea. Few common sturgeon fish varieties are beluga, ossetra, sebruga, kaluga and starlet. Sturgeons are saltwater fishes, but they move to fresh water for spawning. They can grow up to 3000 pounds but generally average about 60 pounds. As per the fish variety, the caviar variety also differs in flavor, texture and color. Generally, the cost of caviar depends on 2 factors. 1. Farm large eggs are more expensive. 2. Less delicate and less perfectly formed eggs are less expensive. The most prized caviar comes from the beluga and ossetra varieties. Most expensive caviar variety, named almas, which is produced by beluga sturgeons, is sold for around $35,000 per kilo. Special ossetra caviar can go till $12,000 per kilo, which is roughly $378 per 30 grams. Normal caviars can be bought from $50 to $75 for 30 grams, which will be enough for 2 people. The rarest white gold caviar is found from albino sturgeon fish, which costs around $100,000 per kilo. Currently, you can buy the 22 karat gold plated white gold caviar from a father-son duo fish farm in Australia, which will cost you around $113,000 if you are lucky enough to find it in stock. There are specific ways to serve caviar. It is best to eat caviar alone. It is served chilled or on ice. Most of the times it is served as a garnish and is recommended to eat in a special spoon made of pearl or bones, as metallic utensils are said to alter its original flavor. What caviar tastes like? The expensive caviars are rich in texture and flavor and taste salty. The eggs release a buttery, nutty and slightly sweet taste when it bursts in mouth. But remember, it is very high in cholesterol, which contains 71 calories per 1 ounce serving. So consider having it in moderation. Hope you liked the video. Press the like button and drop your comments and suggestions below. I bring such interesting fish and aquarium related videos for you. So if you have not done already, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified on my next video upload. Thanks for watching and happy fish keeping.